600 naira.
So you enter from 200 naira. So you got an inkling of it from your
Diploma in law. So diploma in law, they usually take us comprehensive law courses.
Okay.
And so there's enough time to study because it's on Friday and Saturday. So Sunday school Thursday and home. Yes, so there's enough time to work and study.
So from second year now, you got
I have an idea of this.
so you just encourage you lock in and right? Because the way of this one, I will teach you. But when you started, do you know that you were taking any
So I know how to do it. But I loved it because law is very interesting.
You see?
It's very
Very important. You know, my first daughter is a lawyer.
Wow.
That's pretty logic.
Wow. So it's really interesting.
But I'm going to do it.
You are
I'm going to do that. It's a liberating profession. It's the only profession that gives you that sense of you can liberate yourself. Everybody says they are learning. We are educated, they are learning. What does that mean?
It means that we're learning, we're different. We have a different overview.
What's
So what's every other? We're always very distinct in our opinion.
And so we just went to school.
I know.
And we just went to school.
You said it's not becoming lawyer. So you're learning in everything.
By default,
Yes.
That's because I know that I need to go on. So you're going to the law school now.
Yes.
And where the one
I want to learn in Lagos.
the one in Lagos. How do they do it? They just choose.
No, they choose for us.
So how would you know you get one Lagos?
I'm just hoping I get one.
Why do you want Lagos?
Because there's based on this trajectory, like historical.
Historical.
Yeah, we get that Lagos is very more
Really, and they are more focused. So my daughter went to that like I really enjoyed it. It was tough. Let me find she around.
She's around.
Okay. That's what I mean.
I'm glad to see her.
School also went to fall. And she went to the store. She wanted to do. It wasn't what she wanted to do. I had to do something else that she just found herself. But I think she enjoyed because I don't know if she's practicing the law. She's a fashion. Or you will practice law. You know, for us to sustain this, your AJD, that would be first class to that law school.
Yes.
So they'll be taking you in terms of this girl from. How do you feel? No pressure?
No pressure, but I'm not very grateful to do what Nigeria.
It's okay. I mean, it's good. And your younger one, your immediate younger sister, brother.
Yeah, I have a immediate sister. She's also in last.
Studying mass comm. Tell your parents that you have to be sure that's a mass. So you're studying mass comm. So you are like an inspiration to them. If you can do it, then they can do it. Which secondary school?
Al-Hikmat College, Yabagik, the Muslim secondary school.
Alimat.
Al-Hikmat.
Alimat.
Yes, at Agege.
So would you say it was your secondary school that led you to wanting to study, or what you wanted to do a diploma?
Yeah, secondary school. The thing is, my parents were very strict on education. Like, they wanted to impact that value from college.
Your mom and
My both parents, the both of them, they are very disciplined. So they always come to school, always on the face of the teachers, complaining about this is not right. And moreover, the school is, they are more about our personal development. So they train us as students, but they also taught us that if you don't stay in the school, you want to achieve certain things. So they were always going through moral instructions and bringing experts to come and have conversations with us. So it's school music.
That's very good. So it's a combination. The school environment, your home training, your parents getting involved, right? So I mean, so in effect, what I see, you also grow to become, a community leader, a youth leader, an advocate, where you should see your life as a role model for others. You should be able to get to a stage where you can mentor people.
Yes.
and tell them, the things that they need to stand up for,
Yes.
and encourage them. All of the experiences you've gained, things are not easy, what they need to forego for them to do to achieve that level of excellence. And when they hear it from their age mates or somebody that's not as old as we are, we tend to listen. You understand?
I'm actually very passionate about that particular aspect because
Yeah.
we have many of us are basically in, government school, and most of them don't usually have that. They usually feel, left out. Like I'm not privileged enough, so they are satisfied with
just mediocre.
So it's very good if I could, reach out to students like that and let them know I'm also from, very
one of them.
and
Yes.
Nothing is impossible with each other.
Right. That's good, and that's what I think. We all need to strive to do, right? It's not a function of just how you're brought up. It's a function of how you use the environment and the opportunity that is available to you to self-develop yourself. So we want to make you a Lagos ambassador. Tell those people that they have no space. Tell them that you are born Lagosian, give you this Lagos. Your parents, they're from Sapungide or somewhere off in Northwest.
No, they're also from it.
I know, you're wearing the those states. Oh, out here, up now. When you hear that they're from out here, you are from Lagos, and they're hearing tell them that you cannot do your time. But it's okay, I wish you all the very, very best. I want to just get to also encourage you. In life, getting to the top is not very difficult, but sustaining the top is what is important. When you strive for excellence, to maintain that excellence is what is the most difficult part. And so you need to enjoy your life. When I say enjoy your life, enjoy your youth as you grow. Make sure that you breathe, you take in everything, but remain focused. And even in doubting challenges, just stay focused. And know that even if you fall, kind of work, you pick up yourself again. And even if there are one or two people, don't give up on that. Don't think that it's all come back again and search yourself and ask yourself what went wrong. Where can I put the pieces together? And say to yourself, I will come out of it stronger, better, and that's it. Give yourself that strong willpower. You will always be able to make it. Okay?
Thank you.
Very, very good.
Thank you.
Your face is just balance it. Today I want you to meet someone. Ministry of Youth and Social Development, and we are actually focusing on youth development in this second term. That's why in my current policy, the plus is usually around women, especially. First, it's pushing things around domestic violence, girl abuse, so it's a total package to ensure that equality, is equity and equality, especially for the girl child. It's there. Although she comes in and says that the girl child is now being forgotten, so we have to balance it. So that whilst we are pushing the girl child, we don't forget the girl child. And drug is something that is very serious in our environment. We need to be able to stand up and talk about it, and be able to say things that can stop it. I'm sure that it's not something that we should encourage in our environment. Cultism and all. These are all vices that people think it's only when you get into it that you can be a strong person.
Yes.
But it's wrong. The wrong thing. Your individualism and the opportunity and the group and the friendship that you get yourself into. So when you get a lot of mentors, talk to them, you improve something, and change it and myself. Okay, that's that. Nice meeting. Aminat. Yes. Nice meeting. Nice meeting. That is you heard of our story. Philip from last week. No. Last week. I had the first 40 years of last week.
Yes. Congratulations.
Yeah. And so I was just comparing. I said, so what happened? She got AA all throughout. I'm like, oh my God. And I said that you are more into which new profession now?
It's not a new profession. Just is a niching down. Because I studied law and I've been called to Nigeria since 2016. And over my years of now experience, I realized that I found an area that I like, which is real estate and property law. So charting my own course in that direction.
It's a very good one.
And she just teaches as well. Startups.
I also own a fashion company.
That's good.
Yeah.
Everybody say I'm going water.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Eyes on camera now.